Oh my god, what the f? Get out! Ew!
This guy got locked out of his house during a snowstorm after his wife found out he was cheating. And when he realized every single door and window was locked, he crawled through the dog door to get back inside. Wait until you see her reaction when she watched him squeeze through.
Get out! Ew, dude. Yeah, all those are locked, so get fucked. No! Nope. Go stay at that bitch's house. You shut up. You can't stay here anymore. No. Don't.